Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start a Chevy Malibu. First, park the assisting vehicle close to your Malibu, ensuring both are off and in park or neutral. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Locate the positive and negative terminals on both batteries. The Malibu's battery is often in the trunk or under the hood, sometimes under a cover. Safety is paramount when working with car batteries. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red, positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your dead Malibu battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery in the assisting vehicle. Make sure these connections are tight and that the clamps aren't touching any other metal parts. This establishes the positive circuit. Next, take one black negative clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the other black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Malibu's engine block or frame away from the battery. This creates a safe ground connection and helps prevent sparks near the battery, which could ignite hydrogen gas. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your Malibu's dead battery. After 5 minutes, try starting your Malibu. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the black negative clamps, then the red positive clamps. Drive your Malibu for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.